In this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot a reel from start to finish. So I just picked somewhere that has a background in it. Actually, I'll use this background because it's got a cool light. So I read the first line, 3 tips to boost your personal training business. Then I just stick the camera up, ready to go. 3 tips to boost your personal training business. 3 tips that will boost your personal training business. And I just tested 1 or 2 lines. Then I move on to the next line, showcase client testimonials. Share inspiring success stories to motivate your audience. We will do that near the mirror. So it makes sense because there's a mirror. Showcase client transformations. Share inspiring success stories to motivate your audience. We will go inception. We're looking for an inception where I'm there and there. So you can see my butt as well. Showcase client testimonials. Share inspiring success stories to motivate your audience. Share successful transformations from your clients to motivate your followers. So then the next one, again, we're just moving around looking for, so as an idea, I could be setting up like I'm about to do this. What's the next line? The next line is expert tips and tutorials. Teach valuable fitness tips and exercises to position yourself as a go-to trainer. So if I'm here, then again, we have a different background. So for example, here I can sit in this, which is still in shot, I hope. So I can sit here, look at the line, expert tips and tutorials. Share easy to follow tips that will help improve the fitness of your followers. Cool, next line. So just go around and do this over and over again. The next one is nutritional nuggets. Share easy to follow and prep healthy recipes and nutritional advice. Something just simple. Go for the lighter one. So in this, I can set up my position. So I'll just arm curl as I do it. Nutritional nuggets. Share easy to follow and easy to prep recipes for all of your clients. For all of your clients, don't like the way that ended. Nutritional nuggets. Share easy to follow and simple to prep recipes. That'll do. Put that back, we get it. So the last one is just going to be the call to action. So the call to action here is start today. Which idea will you try first? Comment below and let's make your fitness business great again. So the idea here is helping people grow their fitness business. So if I look for, I'll just go back to this background for the call to action. My goal with the call to action today in this video is to get people to comment below. So the easiest way to do that is to ask people. So I'm setting up my shot so that the XP5 is in the background, so it's a nice wee shot. I'm really low on the screen, so I might just sideways here. So now it's side to side. You'll see this if you watch the reel. Start today. Which idea will you try first? Comment below and let's make your fitness business great again. And then we just do the line. Start today. Which one are you going to use first? Comment below and let's make your fitness business great again. And that's the entire video. Shot on my phone just before I start my workout. Usually I'll do it after the workout, but I know this one's going to be hard and it's already late. I'm going to get tired and not going to want to shoot the video. So you see how simple it is. Write it down in bullet points. Look at the camera. Just talk to the camera, get it done, and then quick, sharp jump cuts, and you've it done. If you want to see how I actually edit a video like this, watch this video here.